I was gone for so long, but I'm back again.
We could try if you like to try things. When you mine, girl, I'll buy you nice things. You're not from here, but you poppin'. Baby, come here, I got you locked in, yeah.
Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I know. I haven't posted a video in a long time. I think it's been over a year since I posted a video. Yeah, it's definitely been over a year, but we're back. And I'll get into the reason of why I wasn't posting in maybe another video. Maybe just a lot of stuff going on. But this video is about my birthday. Today's May 17th. My birthday was on May 14th. You know, you feel me? Happy birthday, your girl. 24. Don't play with me. So yeah, I actually vlogged the whole weekend, but as I'm editing right now, and I realized I don't have an intro, don't have an outro. So here I am. This is the intro to the video. So after this, you guys will see all the footage from my birthday this year and all the footage from my birthday last year. Because yes, I did vlog last year. Everyone's like, where's the vlog? 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 Here you go, you can have it. So it will be my birthday from year 2022 and my birthday from year 2021. But right now I'm really just taste testing my friends. They know me so well, and you know I love sweets, so they got me some sweets. This here is from Crumble Cookie. Clearly there's only one cookie left. I don't know how much of the rest. I only had one other one, but this is like a pecan type cookie. It's pretty good. I'm gonna give it an 8. And then over here we have these cupcakes from Cami Cakes Cupcakes. I'm not really sure where that's at. I know it's in Atlanta, but it might be in surrounding city Atlanta. I don't know. It was a gift. So these right here, I've been taste testing a little, cutting into it like mini cakes. I would say this one's the best one. I don't know the names and what kind of cupcakes these are, but this one's the best one. This is, I want to say white chocolate, and this one I want to say it tastes like something like banana foster or something like that. And over here we have Sweet Hut, and obviously I just started over here, but I had to say the best for last because I love cheesecake. I absolutely love cheesecake, and this cheesecake is really good. Like, I'm gonna have to give it a 10 out of 10. And I don't know what the rest of this is. This looks like a chocolate chip cookie, a red velvet cookie, and I'm not sure what these two things is, but I'm gonna taste it. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all get into the video of both the vlogs. So the first one will be my birthday from this year, and then after that all the footage from my birthday from last year will be there. Yeah, and I will say, since I am editing, I've been editing for the past like 4 hours, because uploading takes so long, like especially when you film on your camera and then you film on your phone, then you gotta airdrop it, you gotta all that. So basically, as I'm editing, I'm realizing that I didn't do a whole lot of talking, a whole lot of explaining what I was doing in my birthday this year, but I did more explaining about what I did in my birthday last year. So this year it might be a lot of montages in the beginning. So right after, you know, the footage from this year, you'll see the footage from last year. And yeah.
It's high and niggas won't take it, ayy. I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Quay out here having this way. And like the third me go out, take me. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it, ayy. I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Quay out here having this way. And like the third me go out, take what? Hey, look. I'm picking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face. What? Okay, great. I'm in the back room with Wally's, I spent 30,000 on somebody's grapes. Eating this so many pull-ups on niggas, no wonder we getting in shape. Too busy backing my words up with actions to ever go front of your face. Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? Side and niggas won't take it, ayy. I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way.
king. She got her ass out. She can't persuade me. Brand new Porsche. I'm like a guy to this shit. Like a bitch. I done lost some gratitude. He was a nigga high doing. Ain't shit you can't ride to. I'm right now, that was my hood. I can't go down. He was not good. Cold people driving me. My niggas, you proud of me. Oh, you on me out in the street. They were playing hard. That's what I was talking about.
Y'all see how far I'm walking? This is because a lady stood in a parking spot and was like, oh, I'm saving these for someone. And I just feel like personally, if your people not here yet, then oh well. It's first come, first serve. She couldn't stand in the parking space, like, move. It's okay though. Get my steps in. I cannot be defeated. I made it to the car. But y'all look. When did it fall off? Like, what if it fell off during the pictures? If you're anybody like me who pays attention to details, you're like, should I got one earring on? Oh well. So now I'm fixing to go home and shower. This is my birthday. It's my birthday, so look at this turn up. Like, the skin is skinny, the edges are almost melted away, the lashes are lashing, and it's my birthday. May 14, 2022, 24, on the 14th of May, 2022. Okay, let's go home.
We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. They on that rap and pay the bill shit. Now for that shit, not even a little bill. Fuck being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick.
Don't know how that happened.
They on that rap and pay the bill shit. Now for that shit, not even a little bill. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your work, nigga. I actually been louder than my words, nigga. I ain't slow, I been still slow than I hurt, nigga. Niggas wanna do it, we can do it on their turf, nigga. Oh Lord, I'm the rookie in the vet. Shout out to the bitches out here holding down the set. All up in my phone looking at pictures from the other night. She gon' be upset if she get shown to the left, dog. She gon' see some shit that she don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Yeah, 60.
Listen, we gonna get right. We gonna get right.
I got you.
That's why you went in that gutter.
This shit a motherfucking layup. Been Steph Curry with the shot. Been cooking with the sauce. Chef Curry with the pop. What? 360 with the wrist.
Because what is going on? What is going on? But what we in with? What we got? What we got? What we got? Okay.
Thank you. I done took my car before they gave me the drink. Where they do that at? Where they do that at? Y'all all in? You ready? This carpet cleaner. 95. Y'all fucking taste it, how bad. That is terrible.
Yeah.
Sierra life. People want to see yours.
The year 24. Thanks, guys.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys so much.
Niggas is what? Oh, yo, man, we really with the shits, boy. Yeah, really with the shits. I should probably start a hit, boy, cause I got all the hits, boy. Fuck all that drink, you gotta chill shit. I be on my little mouse drill shit.
Now spin it around. Okay, there we go. Yes, get the shoes. Okay. All of that. There we go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Got to get the entrance.
My name is Erica. I'll be the elevator attendant. Is this anybody's first time going up? Welcome. Those of you guys returning, welcome back. So I just like to start out with a quick history about the building. So the building is over 100 years old. It first started out as Sears Robot Distribution Center. So basically it was Amazon. Before it was Amazon, you guys can get anything from your clothes, your washing machines from here. Then after that, it was City Hall, Fire Station, Police Station, all in one. Then it was vacant for about 10 to 12 years until a company named Jamestown came, renovated it, added the market to the first, second floor. So you guys have a constant market as you know today.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up.
Cheers to Christy turning 24.
You put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal.
Oh, I get the table too? Thank you so much.
I like how they bring it out.
I know, I was like, do I get the wood with it? That was really good. I wasn't taking shots by myself, but I think y'all was wanting Not as bad.
Yeah, you said it was. We should never say fireball.
It doesn't like, it tastes like it's Fireball's cousin, but like it don't taste like.
Now I can be on YouTube like you.
I barely be on there. Maybe you can barely get out.
I could be a whole guest that you just start.
Some videos and everything. First of all, I started. It's just been, I mean.
This is a nice camera. We look nice. So I just got some lashes on. Be pop. Alright.
So you're on your lash break.
I'm on a lash break. It's my man's B-Day.
Oh, I feel like I believe.
I don't know what I did.
And these earrings are kind of long. Has to be refilled.
You just what else we just smiled.
I don't know.
Keeping it crispy.
Okay, but technically I'm changing it to Christy Ariel because
It's her birthday. We just left Dubai. Just manifested, you know? That's like, yeah, manifest.
we just left Dubai.
I
And
wish.
now we're just back in the A for a quick second before Christy has to go back to LA.
Wednesday.
I love Christy. I'm definitely getting one before LA. Like I have to.
Oh, one of these.
And I want that. Cause I don't think Trent. Well, maybe hers has settings on them. I really don't know.
You know how to close things out? It's under dashboard, correct?
Yes. It is.
Oh, well, I guess that's what happens. When two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise to come up.
Yeah, so right now we're at Putt Shack. So it's basically like a mini golf place that opened here. And I'll show you. So this vlogging is a lot of work. Oh, stop. What? What? Not the hole in one. Not I think my feeling. Right. That was a free shot. Get a hold Right.
You got this, Chris. Oh, that don't might go back in. I thought it was going to go back in. Oh my god. Chris. Chris.
Dang, dang, dang. Everybody take notes. Real G. Oh, not brought it back down. Oh, you all the way over here. I didn't even know there was a sign over here. Dang.
The undefeated.
Not the undefeated. Yeah, tell him what you need to say. He said, I am the undefeated.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Was it at 16 or was it at 15?
It said great, and 16 was the only great number.
No, 15 was on grade too.
15 was
There's
blue.
probably a map on this one. We're gonna look again.
15 was
Is this
blue.
it? That says Laura right there?
Yeah, that's it. I told you it was on that side.
Okay. I thought you meant over there.
I did, but I knew it was on that side.
I'm deserving, y'all. It says it on the paper. Just know. With the psychedelic envelope. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all so pretty. Y'all, I love freaking Friends, everything in me. It's like my favorite freaking show. Stop, man. You can't get like the same. Oh, it's the blanket. Wait. I have the hoodies.
Oh, I'm like, what is it?
Beak. I know. It's so crazy because y'all's gifts are similar. Maybe we are all the same. And you know I can't sleep at night. I be up. OMG. I love peach and mango. Peach and mango. I was like, that's my favorite. OMG. Those are my two favorite flavors. Diversity, as you said, to people.
Yes, big. Yes, big.
No, I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. Thanks, OMG. You know me so well.
The hug. Oh my goodness.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christy. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Which one y'all doing? Children.
Are we in line? Are we good?
Look at this line. So is everything like kind of smaller, or is just? I don't know. Is everything smaller? I haven't been inside, but this line.
Change to carry out. Wait, no, not carry out.
So right now we're at Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Okay, we got a 5-count nugget with a small Chick-fil-A. Got a fries and a small fruit punch.
You used to do this before?
No. Got an Oreo cookies and cream milkshake, and then we got a spicy.
Yeah, what size is it?
Shake. They only one size.
They only have one size milkshakes? Chick-fil-A only has one size milkshakes? I didn't know that. Right now, it is 3:39. Let's see how long it takes us to get to the drive-thru. What did I say, 3:39? Yeah. 3:39. But I mean, it's moving. The drive-thru is moving. Like, we're literally almost at the order people. So we could just order at the window. Okay. Did y'all get sauce? Don't they have a sauce shortage?
Yeah, there wasn't one sauce per thing.
Sauce shortage, chicken shortage, gas shortage.
They just can't. We can't.
What's next?
We about to blow it.
We can't live here.
What is next? Like, how many sauces did you get?
Me?
Did I get sauces at all?
I got two. They gave me.
Oh, they gave you two sauces?
And
We got sauces over here.
Two sauces.
I think they were just posting that, so most people. It was always fake.
Everything's a lie.
It's a scam.
It's 3:53, so it didn't take that long. I got 3. Now we are at K1 Speed. Hi, Bree. Hi, Tade. Yeah, we geared up. We geared up. Gang, 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 we geared up. Get ready, get ready, get ready. We can't see. Gang, gang, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? She got a shield. I don't know how she has a shield. Is it too small? Or you want one without a shield? Yeah, get one without a shield.
Are we even gonna stack?
Thanks, last shot to Lana. I was like, my lashes. I feel like we were like in the desert when they be wearing these. to protect her face from the sand or whatever it is. I gotta pee. I should have did this before I got in this position because I gotta pee for real. My bladder's like this big. We can get in position. Oh my god. I'm in position. We got to ride out. Getting ready to go. I don't know if y'all can hear me because obviously we're getting ready to rush. I'm excited. I'm kind of scared. I don't know why I'm scared. I've never been go-karting before. I'm doing all this talking. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. Okay. Well, I'll see y'all after the race because I'm not trying to lose my phone on the track. So, yeah.
I'm 7th place. How the fuck am I 7th place?
Oh, not the goose.
Sorry.
How did that happen? I was fit. We were literally right behind each other.
No, for real. I'm sick.
Literally right behind each other. 1, 2, 3. 7th place. I didn't know who was. I didn't know how to work the machine. Like I thought.
Oh man.
Y'all did good though. Y'all did good.
Catching up with that.
Sorry, y'all. That was so much fun. I had a lot of fun. I ain't never been go-karting before. No.
I love go-karts.
I was like, oh, speeding. I was like, oh, speeding, bro. And then,
Slow down. So how am I not?
who told you to slow
The
down?
people was like, and I was like,
Oh, I was scared they're gonna tell me to stop bumping people because I kept bumping people. I was like, is this bumper cars or go-kart? OMG. Did y'all put that there? Who put it there? OMG. It was fun. We about to go to the house, get ready for the next, what do you say, expenditure? About to go to the house, get ready for the next adventure. Bree, be safe. Let me know when you're on the way in your ETA. Yeah, but we better go back to the house, change again, and then, yeah, change again, and then on to the next thing.
Okay, so we are back at the house. We about to go ahead and get changed really quick. Then we're gonna go to Atlantis. It's like a restaurant lounge. We're gonna be fun. Actually, before we do that, we gotta take pictures. And then we're gonna go look at Taja's face. And then we're gonna go to Atlantis. Y'all look at my balloons. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Yeah, so we gotta get our life quickly. Expeditiously. Okay, so we just finished getting dressed. Ready to go. This is the outfit. Let me see if I can show y'all. This is the outfit. 2-piece. And tug in the back. I don't have my shoes on. My shoes are right here. They're just little strap-up heels. But yeah, right now we're just gonna do pictures tomorrow because that's a lot. So right now we're just waiting for everybody to get here. We just cleaned up and everything. When everybody gets here, then we're gonna leave. I'm so excited to sit back down and eat again because the food be good. So that's the current update. Nothing going on right now. Just cleaning, chilling, wait for everybody to show up, and then we're gonna have another good time. Okay? Okay.
Hey y'all. It is May 16th. I think the last time I vlogged was yesterday at go-karting or something like that. It was a lot. We went to Atlantis. It was a lot. Like there was no chance. Right now I'm at Potts. I'm trying to park and it's just like everybody and their mother and their mother's cousin is here. And I can't find a parking. My tummy kind of hurts. And I'm thirsty. So that's where we're at right now. I'm just driving around this garage. Like, honestly, valet me. Like, I'm honestly about to pay for valet because this is taking entirely too long. Like,
Just let me park my car. Are y'all about to leave? Like, you literally have to stalk people. Like, they're about to leave. They're about to leave. Literally have to stalk them. Like, yeah, that's what's up. I'm about to get y'all parking spot. Yeah. Ooh, and that's not even their car. Oh, y'all embarrassed me. Okay, I'm gonna loop around. Because clearly these people are leaving. I just don't know where these people are parked. Oh my God. Y'all, look at God. Right by the stairs. Look at God. Won't he do it? Every time. Okay, so I parked in a mobile. I just don't know where I'm going. I'm looking for Nikia. Or my friend Nikia. Whew, I don't know if y'all can see me because I can't see the screen. But I'm trying to keep my eyes open. It's hot. It's like 80 degrees out here. Like, it's all people are taking graduation pictures. So cute. I'm gonna show y'all what I see. Hold on. Y'all don't want to see me. I want to see what I see. It's like, where's Nikia? Okay, so she said she was on the inside. So that's where we're gonna go. I'm gonna try to show y'all what the inside looks like. I'm just here. Okay, we're on the inside. It is hot outside, y'all. Like, it is like, I think it's like almost 80 degrees today. But I'm gonna show y'all what the inside look like. It's like a whole thing, like, it's like the stairs in my apartment. But it's just like a whole bunch of foods, and you got the rooftop area where you can play like games. You have like, I think like putt-putt, drop tire, like fair type games. And they have a restaurant up there. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. I could honestly be, but yeah, it's just like, it has a whole bunch of, it's like a food hall really. I don't know. They have a lot of black owned businesses in here. I'm out of breath and I don't know where I'm going. All right, I'm gonna find these people and then I'm gonna get back to y'all, because there's people everywhere. I have found the people. Hello. I have found them. We went to a restaurant and I had already ate and I wanted a dessert. I wanted a tiramisu and they were out of tiramisu, so I sat there and I drank my water, because if I got food, like, I wouldn't have eaten it. Like, all of it would have been gone. So now we're about to go to the rooftop of Karts, and I'm so excited because I love it up there. It's so nice up there and it's warm outside. Like, Bree, you split the pole. You split, Bree. You split the pole. You split the pole. She's still splitting the pole. You gotta go. You gotta go split the pole. We are going up the stairs, but you can't split the pole, no matter how big or small the pole is. No, you gotta, the rooftop is out that way. Ooh, child. So yes, we're going to the rooftop. We got our wristbands. I'm excited. This isn't an outside thing. I didn't think it was like outside.
Call me and I answer all 314 numbers.
He said he answered all the phone calls. Ooh, this line. The elevator line is long, but it doesn't take that long to get up. This is the elevator line. Yeah. Because it's like a freight. Is that how you say it? Freight elevator. So it don't take that long. Why is it bright? Yeah. This not my city. I just got here.
It's her city.
She said this my city.
It's my city.
It's her city.
Nah, it's not my city either.
It don't even spell nothing. It says RFD.
Richly
Roofed.
fun, but dangerous.
Richly fun but dangerous social. I said roofed.
I rock with it.
I try to pronounce it. Y'all, it's hot. I don't know if we're gonna play any games. I was just thirsty. I need something to drink. I'm hot.
I know it'd be less clothes next time.
Yeah. Well, now that it's starting to get warm, maybe like 2 weeks ago she could have got away with the cool weather.
It's naked season now.
It's naked season.
It's my city. I mean season. It's my season. The hotness.
She like to be naked.
And
now you want to see it naked. I want to be a baby. We vaccinated.
we outside.
But we still gonna wear the mask. But we
going. Oh shit.
we still gonna wear the mask.
Mask ain't wanna come back home.
You have the shades.
Transition, baby. Y'all know I can't see out here.
I have contacts in, so I can't see either. The contacts just work for me. They just don't work for you. You gotta.
You don't got contacts in my car. I got one pair in my car. I'm like,
all you have to do is open your eye and put it in there.
I don't have lashes, so maybe it'll be easy.
Like you just literally, even with my lashes, I just pull right here.
But when I first had, I had nails and I had lashes. I was like,
no, you just put it right. You had to put it right here, and then like open your eyes.
I'm extra blind. Like I'm heavy blind. Like y'all can't tell, but I'm heavy blind. Like,
Heavy blonde. She thick blonde.
heavy on the blind. That's the only one place I'm thick is my eyes. Thick on the retinas.
Thick on the
I got
retinas.
thick retinas.
I'm crying. It's hot in between my thighs. It's starting.
Girl, I got these jeans on. I'm like, ooh, child.
Look, y'all, she needs.
It is.
She chained up.
Y'all, I did the TikTok hat on my scarf. This is my head scarf that I wear to bed. And I was like, I need a top because my clothes are so.
Who you know, innovative. I need a top because my clothes dirty. I just realized what you said. Nah, laundry day didn't hit this week.
It's been laundry day for like 3 weeks.
It's been laundry day for like a while. I hate doing laundry. Laundry and dishes. Like it's not washing the clothes. It's folding them and putting them away. I can transfer from washer to dryer to floor. Or nah.
It's the fact that I'm still doing the same laundry for 2 weeks. Like the dishes, I clean them, they get clean, they dirty again.
I got clean to cook and then cook clean after I cook. Like when do we get to the point where all this happens?
Where did it?
You scared me. I was like, you like disappeared. I was like, I don't know. I think the bar, it says food concession over there.
Is it liquor?
Liquor.
Is that inside?
Liquor. You said you thirsty. You need water.
I'm thirsty, but I want a cute drink.
A cute drink. You can get a water with a lemon.
I don't want no more wine. It says fit beer wine. Is that the only drink in that?
I don't know. We can go over there. I want to ride this little thing. This little thing. I like drop tires. I'm one of those people like I will try like adventurous stuff before I try like food stuff. Like if it look weird, I'm not eating it. I was gone for so long, but I'm back again.
I tried to fail.
We don't fail.
Look, y'all. I tried to vlog my birthday. It's still sitting on my little SD card.
We got some juice. Well,
just chilling.
Is it juice?
Juice. Got a little
Juicy juice. A little juicy juice for hydration.
Shit, we could have sat here.
I know. And looked over the city.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took my mask off because I had to drink my juice. Jesus. You can't drink your juice with the mask on. I don't have the mask with the straw.
We double vaccinated up on a Saturday. No, Sunday.
Sunday.
Shoot, it's Sunday.
Double vax on a Sunday afternoon. I'm gonna get copyrighted because I freaking married that girl.
That's my song.
Golly.
All right, we just gonna come back when there's no music, because why is there music? Chill.
Listen to my voice. Listen to my voice. Like, what is that about? Like, I wasn't even yelling. Like, what is it about? But it's fine. Weekend is over. It's May 17th, Monday. It's almost like 4 p.m. I took off work today, just to have that extra day. But yeah, I got up maybe like 30-40 minutes ago. I mean, I was awake. I just could not remove myself from bed. Like, I was tired. There's a lot going on, and I was just like, whew, and it's okay to rest. So yeah, this is the end of my birthday weekend. It was great. It was amazing. Shout out to all my friends for making sure like I had the best birthday ever. I felt like a princess, a celebrity, all that. So it was great, and I love y'all for the bottom of my heart. I truly do. I really appreciate you guys all coming out here for my birthday and spending it with me. But it's over. Your girl's 23 now. Thanking God for just another year, another blessed year, and just many more blessings to come. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. This vlog was all over the place, like all over the place. It's really hard to vlog when you have like stuff planned and stuff going on, and you know you're keeping up with everybody. It's hard, like hard job. But shout out to the people who helped me and reminded me to pick up my camera, stuff like that. So we're gonna see what we got as far as footage goes. But if you guys made it to the end, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Out the blue, girl, that's how you found me. You look good, girl, when you beside me.